Well, ang daming kakokorona lang sa Miss Universe 2025 contestants. Nandyan si Miss Mexico. Iba pa, Miss Mexico is beautiful. But today, this video, pag-usapan natin, allow me to present to you who are, I think, the best in Americas para sa Miss Universe 2025 competition. Madaming newly crowned, just like the candidates from Americas. We all know that Latins, beauties, they are exceptional. They are super palaban. Talaga nakikipagpuksaan sila. Isa pa nga sila sa tagang parang naging epitome ng beauty pageant. So sila yung parang naging batayan kung paano maging tindig beauty queen, kung paano makipagpuksaan sa pasarela, sa styling. And in this video, pag-usapan natin sino-sino ba sa kanila yung mga pinakamagaganda at pinakamalalakas or sino yung pinakamalakas among the Latinas or the Americas contestants sa Miss Universe 2025. Hello guys, this is Roderick Cruzabala. Let's talk about beauty pageant. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Roderick Cruzabala and today's video pag-usapan natin or allow me to present to you my personal opinion regarding the candidates from Americas who are the best of the best, and I will give some of my insight opinion about some of the most beautiful, I think, candidates from Americas. Simulan natin si Chile. Of course, Chile is exceptional. Chile is never been in the lowest in any pageant enthusiast blogs, checklists, or lists, or early favorites, etc. Chile is, I think, one of the best or maybe the best among this year, in all honesty. But there's also a lot of girls na bagong kakokorona lang, just like Miss Mexico. She is not as beautiful, in all honesty. Pag nakita mo siya or yung mga pictures niya na nakikita mo na normal lang, hindi masyadong glammed, but overall she has this beautiful small face, and considering that part owner ng Miss Universe is also Mexican, so definitely she's going to be noticed per se. But I think that Mexico is also okay. She's beautiful. She's more of like flawless skin. Isa siya sa talagang makikipagpuksaan kung flawless skin ang labanan. Not stunning, to be honest. Not super stunning, but I believe that she is going to be there. Latina. Although I'm not really sure with Latina kasi hindi ko magets bakit merong Miss Universe Latina. Saan ba siya talaga nanggaling? Anong country yung nire-represent niya? Or ano yung by birth or citizenship whatsoever? You know what I mean? So para kasi siyang Universe Latina na parang ibig sabihin siya yung pinakamaganda sa Latin countries. Yun ang iniisip ko. Overall, I think that she's beautiful, but hindi ko lang talaga magets na bakit nangyayari to sa Miss Universe na before naman countries lang. Ngayon meron ng ganyan. So yeah, but I think she's okay. Puerto Rico. Okay, so Puerto Rico is the next exotic / modern beauty. Siya yung tipong parang ganda nung Miss Universe ng 2023. Alam mo yung striking na morena, dusky, na beautiful. I love her beauty, but talking about kung sino yung mas maganda, I think Puerto Rico is not yet the best. But of course, still, the pageant proper is not, di pa nangyayari. So, let's see. But for now, Puerto Rico, I think, is stunning. Peru is the next. Of course, I think that ang pinaka-paborito ko kay Peru is yung kanyang striking na beautiful eyes, na kasi kakaiba yung kulay ng kanyang mata. Especially yung shape ng face na maliit, super cute, and the striking fierce eyes. Yun yung nagustuhan ko kay Peru. Venezuela is the next. So Venezuela isa din sa makikipagpuksaan kung ang labanan ay pagiging flawless. Siya yung tipong parang, sabi ko nga before, para siyang walang bahid ng kahit na anumang pigmentation sa katawan, sa mukha, or whatsoever. Siya yung tipong parang isang batayan ng pagiging maputi, diba? So super puti, super linis tingnan, super bangon tingnan, and especially given that she is representing Venezuela, alam naman natin that Venezuelan are second to the most winners ng Miss Universe, and definitely she is fully prepared. So yeah, Jamaica is the next. So I think that Jamaica is more of like beauty na pag napabayaan ng makeup artist na tipong parang hindi masyadong pinaboran, pinaganda, I think na mas matatabunan siya ng ibang mas maganda. But definitely Jamaica has this beautiful, unique feature, and yeah, I think that she is one of the most beautiful in Americas. Panama is the next. So I think that isa din siya sa contestants from Americas na kung hindi siya fully glam, she is talagang matatabunan ng mas magaganda sa kanya. Especially yung mas matatangkad, mas super kabog yung katawan, especially yung face card. Kasi kung face card ka naman naman talaga kahit wala kang masyadong makeup ay talagang papatok at papatok ka. But Panama, I think that she really need to make sure that she is always glammed up, or kung kahit hindi man siya glammed up, dapat yung talagang super ganda pa rin. Nicaragua. Okay, so Nicaragua isa din sa matatabunan. Isa din sa madaling tabunan ng mas maganda sa kanya. Dapat siguro mas kumuha pa siya ng maraming advice kung paano siya mas mapapansin, kasi kung hindi siya ganun kaganda, then definitely dapat meron siyang mga pasabog and everything. Ecuador is the next. So perseverance wise, definitely alam naman natin na Ecuador joined several times sa Miss USA and sa Miss Ecuador for the second time. Last year she is the first runner-up and now nakuha na niya ang title. I think that beauty wise naman talaga, may beauty naman talaga siya, si Nadia Mejia, but definitely we don't know comes pageant proper, doon natin makikita kung talagang palaban din siya. Sana lang talaga is gustong-gusto niya and ibigay niya lahat yung kanya magagawa para pumasok siya sa banga. Curaçao ang next natin. Definitely isa sa siguro hindi paborito ng iba, but definitely I think that pag tiningnan mo siya overall, yung kanyang face, yung katawan, yung build, yung height, I think that she has something. She has this unique beauty, especially yung kanyang feature, yung facial feature niya na maliit yung face na medyo pero hindi malaking malaki. Alam mo yun, yung tipong basta iba yung dating ni Miss Curaçao, especially yung eyes niya, and then the smile, the wide big smile, and I think that she is an actress or aspiring actress, but overall beauty wise and the caliber wise, I think that Curaçao is stunning. Costa Rica is the next. So although isa siya sa beauty na parang alam mo yung nakita mo na parang familiar na yung beauty niya, yung type ng beauty niya, hindi na siya ganun ka-unique kasi parang familiar, just like para siyang Miss Venezuela last year, parang ganito, alam mo yun, hindi siya unique, but overall I think that among the Latinas, she is beautiful. Bolivia is the next. Super nipis. Okay, so nag-guest siya sa kasama niya yung part owner ng Miss Universe, and she has a super nipis na katawan, although yung beauty niya is para ding si Miss Costa Rica na gandang familiar. Alam mo yun, yung parang Miss Venezuela din last year, and then yung Miss Universe Venezuela ng 2022. Ganun yung dating ng kanyang face, na maliit, na medyo pahaba, na medyo pa square na something. You know what I mean? But overall, yung kanyang katawan is talagang pang Miss Universe, manipis, mahaba, although hindi ganun katangkad, but she is stunning and beautiful. And last but not least, definitely, before ibigay or bago ko i-announce o i-reveal kung sino ba talaga yung pinakamaganda para sa kanila, Argentina is my number 15 among the 15 most beautiful Latinas para sa akin, o in Americas. I think that Argentina has this beautiful, gorgeous, parang Americans, European vibe. Alam mo yung ganda ng kanyang face, cute. She's beautiful, she's sexy, she's also tall, not very very tall, but I think that she has the height. Kung ikukumpara mo naman sa iba, beauty, the face, the body, she is more of like parang Barbie doll din kung iyon ang itatawag natin. But yeah, so definitely Argentina is also one of the strongest. Okay, speaking of the strongest, sino ba yung pinakamalakas sa akin? Syempre hindi naman po pwedeng top 15 in Americas dahil hindi naman lahat sila pwedeng pumasok sa semifinals. Okay, so para sa akin ang pinakamalakas, although para sa akin bago ko ibigay yung isa, I think that Argentina is also deserving to be on my top 2. So Argentina and Chile is para sa akin ang top 2 ko. So they are parang super beautiful Barbie doll na super gorgeous, na they deserve to be there kasi ang tagal na nilang parang hindi napapansin, na hindi sila nakakapasok sa pinakamataas, even top 5 or top 10. Alam mo yun, Chile meron silang Miss Universe, but definitely Argentina hindi pa rin. So hindi natin alam kung bakit. Is it personality wise? Is it behind the scene? May mga nangyayaring ganyan-ganyan. But Chile, to be honest, is I think kung papipiliin nyo ako, talagang pipilitin nyo na pumili ako ng isa. Well, I think that Chile is the best among the Latinas or among the candidates from America. So yeah, Chile is super gorgeous. She has this beautiful face, the body, alam mo yun, super ganda lang, super gorgeous lang. Yan lang masasabi ko, and I think that you agree as well. If not, then just leave your comment down below, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Hello guys, this is Roderick Cruzobala. Let's talk about beauty pageant. She is amazing. Her qualities and beauty, wow. This is Roderick Cruzobala. Thank you for watching.